Hey everyone, let's explore Baleshwar, a super cool city in India. This city is not just any ordinary place, it's a blend of rich history, vibrant culture, and modern development. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or someone who enjoys the hustle and bustle of city life, Baleshwar has something for everyone. It's in the northeastern part of a state called Odisha, right by the Bay of Bengal. The location is perfect for those who love the sea, as the city offers stunning views of the coastline and the soothing sound of waves crashing against the shore. The Bay of Bengal adds a unique charm to Baleshwar, making it a picturesque destination. It's a big city, full of energy and history. The streets are always bustling with activity, from local markets to busy roads filled with people going about their daily lives. The city has a rich historical background, with many landmarks and monuments that tell the story of its past. Walking through Baleshwar, you can feel the pulse of the city and its vibrant energy. It's like a main door to the state, welcoming everyone with stories and smiles. As you enter Baleshwar, you're greeted with warmth and hospitality. The welcoming sign at the entrance is just the beginning of the many friendly faces and stories you'll encounter here. The people of Baleshwar are known for their kindness and welcoming nature, making every visitor feel at home. Baleshwar is known for its great schools and hospitals, and it's a really important part of Odisha. The city takes pride in its educational institutions and healthcare facilities, which are among the best in the state. The schools here provide quality education, and the hospitals are equipped with modern facilities to cater to the healthcare needs of the people. This makes Baleshwar a crucial hub for education and healthcare in Odisha. It's more than just a city, it's like a mini India showing off the country's past and its exciting future. Baleshwar is a melting pot of cultures, traditions and modernity. The city hosts various cultural performances and festivals that showcase the rich heritage of India. Historical landmarks stand tall, narrating tales of the past, while modern developments pave the way for a bright future. It's a place where the old and new coexist harmoniously. Baleshwar is awesome because it mixes old and new stuff perfectly. You'll find ancient temples standing proudly next to modern buildings, creating a unique blend of architecture. This juxtaposition is what makes Baleshwar so special. The city has managed to preserve its historical essence while embracing modernity, offering the best of both worlds to its residents and visitors. You'll see old temples next to new buildings, and the city is always buzzing with fun markets, exciting festivals and friendly people. The local markets are a shopper's paradise, offering everything from traditional handicrafts to modern goods. Festivals are celebrated with great enthusiasm, bringing the community together in joyous celebrations. The people of Baleshwar are always ready to welcome you with a smile, making your experience even more delightful. Get ready to be amazed by Baleshwar. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a beautiful canvas of colors, reflecting the vibrant life and culture of Baleshwar. Whether you're exploring its historical sites, enjoying the local cuisine, or simply soaking in the scenic beauty, Baleshwar promises an unforgettable experience. So pack your bags and get ready to discover the magic of this incredible city. Baleshwar has an amazing story, shaped by lots of different rulers. This city, nestled in the heart of the region, has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, each leaving an indelible mark on its landscape and culture. From the ancient dynasties that first established their reign here to the more recent colonial influences, Baleshwar is a living museum of history. From kings and queens long ago to the British, the city has seen it all. The royal palaces, with their grandeur and opulence, tell tales of a time when monarchs ruled with absolute power. These structures, with their intricate designs and majestic facades, stand in stark contrast to the more austere and functional buildings from the British era. The colonial buildings, with their distinct architectural style, reflect a period of significant change and adaptation. Every period in history has left its mark on Baleshwar's buildings, culture, and who the people are. The intricate carvings on the temple walls are a testament to the city's rich artistic heritage. These temples, often the center of community life, have witnessed countless festivals and celebrations, each adding a layer to the city's cultural tapestry. The traditional architecture, with its unique blend of styles, tells a story of adaptation and resilience. You can see the city's past in the old temples and buildings. These ancient structures are not just remnants of a bygone era, they are living monuments that continue to play a vital role in the community. The temples, with their serene ambience, offer a glimpse into the spiritual life of the people, while the historical buildings stand as silent witnesses to the city's evolution over the centuries. These places show us how people lived and worshipped a long time ago. The rituals and traditions practiced within these sacred spaces have been passed down through generations, preserving the essence of the city's spiritual heritage. The interiors of these temples, with their ornate decorations and sacred artifacts, provide a window into the past, allowing us to connect with the lives of those who came before us. When the British came in the 1600s, things changed again. The arrival of the British marked the beginning of a new chapter in Baleshwar's history. The city underwent significant transformations as it adapted to the new colonial rule. The British introduced new administrative systems, built infrastructure, and established trade networks that would shape the city's future. The colonial buildings, with their distinct architectural style, stand as a reminder of this transformative period. Baleshwar became a big trading city, especially for salt and cloth. The bustling markets were filled with traders and merchants from all over the region, exchanging goods and ideas. Salt, a valuable commodity at the time, was one of the main products traded in Baleshwar. The city's strategic location and access to resources made it a hub for commerce and trade, attracting people from far and wide. The British East India Company made Baleshwar an important centre, and you can still see some of the buildings they built. These structures, with their imposing facades and functional design, reflect the company's influence on the city's development. The East India Company's presence brought about significant economic and social changes, transforming Baleshwar into a key player in the region's trade networks. The city's port became a busy place, connecting Baleshwar to the rest of the world. Ships from various parts of the globe docked at the port, bringing with them goods, people, and ideas. The port was a melting pot of cultures, where different traditions and customs mingled, enriching the city's cultural fabric. Today, the port stands as a testament to Baleshwar's historical significance as a center of trade and commerce. Baleshwar is right on the coast, and its beaches are amazing. The coastline stretches for miles, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The golden sands and the gentle waves create a picturesque setting that is perfect for a peaceful retreat. Whether you're looking to take a leisurely stroll along the shore or simply sit and watch the sunset, Baleshwar's beaches provide the ideal backdrop for relaxation and rejuvenation. They stretch along the Bay of Bengal, and they're perfect for relaxing and having fun. Families gather here to enjoy picnics, build sandcastles, and play beach games. The gentle waves make it a safe spot for children to splash around, while adults can unwind under the shade of beach umbrellas. The vibrant atmosphere is filled with laughter and joy, making it a favorite destination for both locals and tourists. Chandipur Beach is really special because the sea seems to disappear. This unique phenomenon occurs during low tide, when the water recedes up to 5 kilometers, revealing the seabed. It's a mesmerizing sight to see the ocean retreating, leaving behind a vast expanse of wet sand. Visitors can walk on the exposed seabed, exploring the marine life that gets left behind in small pools of water. It's an experience unlike any other, making Chandipur Beach a must-visit. When the tide goes out, the water goes way back, and you can walk on the sand where the ocean used to be. It's a surreal experience to walk on the seabed, feeling the wet sand beneath your feet and discovering the hidden treasures of the ocean. Shells, small crabs, and other marine creatures can be found scattered across the sand, making it a fascinating adventure for nature enthusiasts and curious explorers alike. It's like magic. The transformation of the beach during low tide is truly enchanting. Children can be seen running and playing on the exposed seabed, their laughter echoing in the air. The changing landscape offers endless opportunities for exploration and discovery, making it a magical place for visitors of all ages. Baleshwar has other great beaches too, like Talasari Beach, which is famous for its red crabs. The sight of these vibrant red crabs scuttling across the sand is a unique attraction that draws many visitors. Talasari Beach is also known for its serene and less crowded environment, making it a perfect spot for those seeking tranquility. These beaches are perfect for swimming, playing, or just chilling out. The clear waters and gentle waves make it an ideal spot for swimming, while the soft sands are perfect for sunbathing or playing beach volleyball. Whether you're looking to take a dip in the ocean or simply relax with a good book, Baleshwar's beaches offer something for everyone. The sound of the waves is so relaxing. The rhythmic crashing of the waves against the shore creates a soothing soundtrack that calms the mind and soul. It's the perfect place to unwind, let go of stress, and connect with nature. Whether you're alone or with loved ones, the beaches of Baleshwar provide a serene escape that rejuvenates the spirit. Baleshwar is a mix of different cultures where old traditions meet new ideas. You can see this in the festivals, the art, and the dancing. Odissi, a special type of Indian dance, is really important in Baleshwar. The dancers wear beautiful costumes and move so gracefully. It's like watching a beautiful story. Festivals are a big part of life in Baleshwar. Durga Puja, Diwali and Holi are just a few of the celebrations that fill the city with color, music and dancing. They're a fun way to learn about the city's culture. Baleshwar is a busy city with lots of different jobs. Farming is important, and the land around Baleshwar grows lots of rice, wheat and other crops. The food grown here feeds people in Baleshwar and other parts of India. Baleshwar also has factories that make things like clothes and food. These factories create jobs and help the city grow. The port at Dhamra, near Baleshwar, is super important for trade. Ships come and go, bringing goods from all over the world. Baleshwar is full of fun things to see and do. If you love beaches, Chandipur beach with its disappearing sea is a must-see. There's also the Panchalingaswar temple, a peaceful place in the hills dedicated to Lord Shiva. If you like animals, visit the Kuldihar Wildlife Sanctuary. You might see elephants, tigers, leopards and lots of birds. Baleshwar has something for everyone. Baleshwar is a city that's getting bigger and better all the time. New roads, trains and airport connections make it easy to get to. The schools and hospitals are great, and the government is working hard to make the city even better. Baleshwar is a cool mix of old and new. Whether you want to relax, explore or learn something new, Baleshwar is the place to be. Come visit and make some amazing memories.